Alright, so we were on, the other day we were on live feed with the roads we roam, and they said if money wasn't an option, what would be your rig? This Voltage is actually epic. Just phenomenal. I had to take the other side because I can't even show the massiveness of this thing. Very, very cool. It has a really cool design to it. Tons of storage underneath. This would be it. This would be it. Heated in command system. Oh my goodness. This is it. So this is the 4205 Voltage. 4205. Solid step. I can't. I'm gonna go to the back first. Kitchen is just very huge. Does have a generator. Tons of kitchen space. Has your Norcold refrigerator, freezer, double door, storage, and this is somewhat going to be not so great lighting here, but that's the downside to not having any windows on one side of your rig. But does have yourself Furrion heater, nice size Jensen television, more storage above. Loft is up here on this side. I'm going to step into the kitchen here a second because there was more storage here all the way around the kitchen island. It has a drying rack that rolls up for you, but the other side is a one big complete couch. It's a Thomas Paine, so the recliners. Just a huge open area, and it's a cloudy rainy day, so it's not showing that well here, but there are more storage compartments. And then we're going to step out. This is a toy hauler, so we're going to step out into the toy hauler area. Standard toy hauler where it has your drop down queen and it has your jackknife, has the jackknife sofas. It's just hard. It's really, I apologize about the lighting. I'm not able to do too much with it right now. Does have a bathroom, a half bath in the back with the toilet, a sink, and a corner cabinet. It also has the hookup for your washer dryer, and the bed for the queen bed is a power lift. Exterior door to your toy hauler, and it also has your solid door patio, so you have yourself a rear patio off the back. Very, very cool. Now here's where the part is awesome for if the money didn't matter. The rig we would have is the front of this rig. So if we got a toy hauler, we would be using the toy hauler area for our bedrooms. There's a pantry. Yeah, we'd be using the toy hauler area for the girls' bedrooms with the queen. But in this particular unit, you go up the hallway. We don't need those bedrooms in the back because there's a daggone bunkhouse. There's a bunkhouse in this unit. It's mid-bunk. Storage out the wazoo. Storage out the wazoo. And you have yourself a mid-bunk in the toy hauler. Bang! That's big. And you go up your steps. To the left is the master toilet. Master walk-in shower with an encore wraparound shower. Glass doors. Look at that. Look at that sink bowl. You're brushing your teeth in style. Oh my gosh. A double vanity. Holy cow. So you also have a really deep storage compartments there, and you can walk into your bedroom there, or you can just walk in through the main entryway. This has a king size, full king size storage underneath the bed. Got some more storage above the bed. Power charging points on each and plugs on each side of the bed, and a full wardrobe that slides out in the master. This is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I mean, just the space. The mid-bunk is mid-bunk in the toy hauler. This is the first time we've actually seen a mid-bunk toy hauler. I mean, you can sleep like a whole million people in this. Probably a whole state could sleep in here. Maybe it feels like a small state, but anyway. Yeah, this is the answer to that question on the roads we roam that we were watching the other night. This would be our choice. Not to mention, let's go here on the outside. You have another television and speakers. And the awning, you have one in the rear, over your rear door. And you have one over your front door. Now this doesn't have an exterior kitchen on it. Remember, this is the 4205. This doesn't have an exterior kitchen on it, but hey, for what you have with this unit, I'll put a grill on the back patio, baby. That's the way you roll in style. Have yourself awesome your large propane tanks. Oh my goodness, in command system. This is just an absolute beauty. I'll go around over here, and it's got some more storage underneath. Now, here's where you get into the big bang boom. You have yourself a 20,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating on this. And then storage wise, you can get 3,920 pounds. With having a toy hauler, you get extra toy. You get extra weight for that, putting those toys in the back. And then you're gonna get yourself into your setup here, that through space on the basement. Get into your water setup. All the standard. Has a winterizing system, which is very nice. So that is just epic. Hey guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then once you do that, turn on the bell so that you get notifications on when we post more videos.